Good afternoon. Welcome back to my bathroom. It's been a long time since you've been here. We've remodeled. There's been a pandemic. As you can see, I have a lot of gray hair. And so today I am going to try to do Pintura highlights on my hair. I did my handy dandy stop at Sally's. And let me tell you what I got. I got the Ultra Bond Cream Lightener. I got the Ultra Bond Deep Treatment for after I color. I tried the Ultra Bond Developer. So I'm going to be using their cream developer to go with their lightener. And I got a Wella toner because I want to pull out as much brassiness out of my hair as I can. I also caught this on sale. It is Cannabis Sativa Lush Length Leave-In. So I'm going to try that. And then I got the conditioner. No, it does not have CBD or THC. I just thought it was neat to try since it was on sale. And I'm all about that leave-in conditioner life. Last time, let's see, we've done so much stuff with my hair. I was natural for 9 years. Then I relaxed. And then I went blonde, which I absolutely loved. And then I cut it off, which was a big goal of mine. And all of those videos you will see on my channel. Now I had, at the beginning of the pandemic, all this was shaved. So all of this is virgin hair. This has not been heat hasn't been put on it. Here my son looking for his father. Heat hasn't been put on it, nor has any color or anything been put on my hair. I actually just took out my faux locks and I kind of combed it out, and this is what I have. And I had a lot of bald spots. So my bald spots, which was from hormonal issues, you'll see my bald spots. I have hair in them now. They're still a little bald, but that was huge. Like this whole side was bald. So they're coming back. This was a bald spot and it came back white. I also have other areas where I had bald spots and a lot of it did come back as gray. So I've given it some time to kind of heal, and that's why I don't want to re-dye my entire head, but I do want to do some Pintura highlights, which is to be done on the curly hair. So we're going to start on that. I'm going to mix everything up and we'll get started. And just FYI, this Age Beautiful, it's by Zoto's Professional. I got it because it's kind of like the Olaplex or whatever it's called, but it lives up to 9 levels. So I'm going to have to keep an eye on it to see exactly what I'm going to get. So let's go ahead and read the directions for this. It is a 1-to-1 ratio. So I'm going to get my stuff out and mix this up. Mix the lightener and the developer together. I'm going to add some of this Absolute Perfection Booster. Just a little bit. Because I was reading the directions and I didn't realize that when you use that, if you're lightening, you should increase your developer by 1 volume. And I did not do that. Otherwise, I would have gotten a 30, but I got a 20. So I'm just going to put a tiny bit in there. Whoo, that's strong. I'm going to try to be as neat as possible. I was going to use the cap to pull through. But last time I used one of these, I had a relaxer. And it was the early 2000s. So I didn't really want to do that because I thought it'd be difficult pulling all of this through these little holes. So we're gonna try to do this. Basically, I parted where I didn't want color down here. So down here, I'm not gonna color that. And I'm just gonna take little areas of this And I wish I had more of my curl pattern so I could see how it's going to look when it's curly. But I don't. So. All right. Okay, now. I just finished washing my color. And let's see what we got. Well, I wanted 3 different colors to tone down the black. Oh, I still got shampoo. Let me get that out. Let's try that again. I hope I got it all out. Okay. I wanted something to tone down my gray hair, and that definitely does it. It's not completely black on gray. I really like the coloring throughout. I wanted something to make my curls kind of pop. So, actually, I really like it. Here, I could have done without, but for the most part, we'll see. So, I got a toner, but I think I got it too light. So, I don't think I got the right toner for this. So, I don't know if it's going to do anything as far as taking some of that orange out. But we'll see. So it's 1 part toner to 2 parts, 2 parts developer. Yeah. So I'm gonna pour this in, and then okay, got that in there. That's strong. And then I'm gonna put my developer. I mixed up my 1 part Wella toner to 2 parts developer, and this stuff is strong. Ay, ay, ay. Let's see what happens. See if we can tone down some of all this yellow. I have brushes, and I see a lot of people using brushes to put the toner in, but I'm not gonna do that, because if you've seen any of my hair videos, I'm just gonna do what I feel like doing. So and we'll see what we get. Put my gloves back on. And I'm just gonna take it piece by piece and put the toner on. Actually, I'm gonna start over here. It's been about 25 minutes and I don't think it's gonna do any more than what it's done. I like the color so far. We'll see what we get when we wash it out. There we go. That's really light. Much lighter than I expected.
Whoa.
You like it? So this is my final result after toning it and everything. I'll probably be wearing it a lot with curly bangs and probably up like this. So I really like the way it turned out. It definitely toned down my gray hairs. They're not as stark, but they're still there. So far so good. I'm going to do a deep conditioner with this Age Beautiful Ultra Bond Deep Mask. And if there's anything I would do different next time, it would definitely be this spot right here. I would not do that as close. I would leave a little bit of dark hair so it would blend a little better. Kind of like these back here, and even these on the side, and even this little one right here blends pretty good. So that's something I would do different, but overall everything worked well. I'm happy with it, and if I can, I will add a picture of what it looks like after it is styled and everything. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Loving the color here. You guys have a great day.